Imagine hiccuping non-stop for 68 years. Charles Osborne did just that from 1922 to 1990. This quirky record remains unbeaten to this day. Now you might think, how on earth did he manage? Well, Charles just adapted. He continued farming, got married, and even fathered 8 children, all while hiccuping every 10 seconds. I bet he had some interesting dinner conversations. And imagine trying to sneak in late without waking the whole house. Impossible, right? And here's the kicker. One fine day, they just stopped. Just like that. After 68 years, Charles experienced silence. There you have it, the longest hiccuping spree in history. Now that's what you call a hiccup in the system.